Welcome to Photoshop, and today we are going over how to add more of a lens flare to an image. This is really easy to do, and it works just about the same for every single image that you're going to do this to. So there's a couple of key tricks. The first one, you want to create a new layer over here. So you want to do this on its own layer. We'll call this flare, just so everyone understands what's going on. And we want to grab the brush tool. I'm going to make this D for default so we can see. So the first thing I want to do is, I don't want my foreground color to be black because I want it to be obviously a white color. And when you're doing a lens flare, you want to pick a color that's already in your image so it blends or looks alike. So what I'm going to do is hold the Alt Option key, and I'm going to come up here and just select that color. So you can now see we've kind of got this kind of pinkish reddish color here, and that's going to be color that we're going to add to this lens flare with. The next thing we're going to do is lower our opacity down to about 50% and lower our flow down. Now our flow is going to let us build up over time. And so these are pretty key because you don't want to do it too strong. The next thing you're going to do is make your brush really big, like really big, not even big enough. So that's pretty big. So I want to do this whole area basically from her head. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this, and I'm going to click and go like that. And then every time I do this, I'm going to move a little bit this direction. So I'm going to do less here and more over here. So I'll undo that, and I'll just kind of do this, and you can see how we're doing it. Now once you start to get to the edge, you can easily, if you want to add some more, you can make your brush a little stronger. That will increase that over there. If you want to put some more back over here, you can do that. I'll come over here and just click on this, and we can say that's with the lens flare and that's without, so we can see how we're increasing that. If this is a little bit too much, you can easily just dial your opacity back until you get it where you want, and if you decide you don't want it, you just turn it off. So it is literally that easy to add a lens flare within Adobe Photoshop. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave those below, and don't forget to subscribe.